The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. Residents report a tall banana-like figure roaming around the city of Indianapolis. No other information is given. Normal programming will be discontinued until further notice.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. The banana figure explained 2 hours ago has broken into people's homes and started killing them violently. We advise the city of Indianapolis to take shelter immediately. Grab food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio. Normal programming will now be discontinued until further notice. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. Multiple children have gone missing and abducted. One tall guy named Leo Zavira. A 13-year-old male with black shorts and a Under Armour shirt. He was last seen 23 minutes ago. Normal programming will now be discontinued. No further information is given. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. The banana figure is confirmed to be from the infamous Roblox game Banana Eats. Do not try to interact with the banana, as it may result in death. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. Normal programming will now be discontinued until further notice. Residents have reported that their children are going missing, one by one. The total death count is 84,833. The military is trying to stop the banana.
The banana that has been breaking into people's homes and killing them violently has also occurred in another state, Illinois. The following cities in Illinois needs to take shelter immediately: Chicago, Aurora, Rockford, Joliet, Naperville, and Springfield. My name is Zachary at the local news station, signing off.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. The banana figure that was roaming Indianapolis is now roaming Chicago. We advise all of Illinois to take shelter immediately. Grab food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Normal programming is now discontinued. I repeat, normal programming is now discontinued. following message is being transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. The banana situation that happened weeks ago has ended. You may exit your shelters now.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more.